And I want you to write 3 words why they're your best friend. It could be because they're nice, they're trusting, they're funny. Just 3 words of why they're your best friend. Okay, time's up. Sabrina, I think it's your right. And then why? And then what are your 3 words? Did you write them? Okay, you can share. Nice. Okay, Graham, how about you?
Benjamin, Ethan, and David. Benjamin because he's silly. Ethan because he is cool. David just because he's silly. He laughs all the time.
Okay.
Drawing friends.
All right. And Allie, who are your 3 people?
Sophie, Josie, Sabrina.
Sophie, Josie, and Caitlin. Who'll share your 3 people?
Sabrina.
Okay, and then can you share 1 word?
Funny. Fun.
All right, now I want you to put your pencils down and give Miss Alagavan your note card. Now I need you to put your pencils down. Now I'm gonna put, and I want you guys are gonna work in pairs. So I need you to spread your cards out. Yeah, just spread your cards out. And once you're done spreading your cards out, look at me. I need you to listen and to look at me because this is an important instruction. And now, we're going to read about Washington's cabinet. And in fact, I need you to listen. And then what you're going to do is that you are going to match the picture to its turn. And you will know